Not getting emails on Gmail even though everything looks fine? It's a common issue that can make you miss important messages, but the fix is quick and you'll start receiving emails again in minutes. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check the spam folder. First, open up Gmail on your Windows 11 computer. Then click More from the left side action menu. Now click on the spam folder to see if your expected emails are in there. Sometimes emails can get stuck in the spam folder and won't show in the box. Solution 2. Check Google account storage. Click on the apps icon or the 9 dots icon in the top right corner. Now click on Google Drive. Here you can see the storage of your Google account on the left side menu bar. If your storage is full, you need to free up some space. Delete some unnecessary files from Google Drive. Now go back to your Gmail account, then go to your inbox. Now delete some unnecessary files. Alternatively, you can upgrade your Google account storage if needed. Solution 3. Fix Google account settings. Go to your Gmail account again. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner, and then click See All Settings. Now click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab from the top. This tab will show all the filters you've added to your Gmail account. Now go ahead and delete any unnecessary files. After deleting the filters, change the tab to Forwarding and POP/IMAP. In this section, make sure you are not forwarding your emails to a specific email account. If forwarding is enabled, disable it. Then click Save Changes from the bottom. Once you have completed all these solutions, your problem should be solved and you should start receiving your expected emails from Gmail. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay